Hi guys, my name is Edward Munoz and I'm here in Burton & Burton, where you are, Burton & Burton. And I want to talk a little bit about those three inflators because we have a lot of customers have questions about inflators. The three inflators are totally different, but what they have in common, they come from one amazing company, and those inflators, premium inflators. And this one here, the small one, is for twisting. This one comes like that. They have two different cutters. The cutters are amazing because just in case you blow up twister, you can use the same cutter to cut your balloons. Plus, what kind of balloon you can blow up here? You can blow up 260 balloons. Just put the adapter here for 260. And this one comes with a 160 adapter. Plus, you can set up different size if you want that machine stop in 1.1, 1.0, or you size the balloon 1.5, etc, etc. You can use that way, or you can use just continuum. This next inflator is amazing because I love it because you can blow up the 5-inch balloon, 11-inch, 16-inch, 3-foot balloons, and just they come with this adapter. Just in case you need to blow up a 5-inch balloon, just you put the adapter here. But a lot of you maybe ask, Edward, for what is this one here? This adapter is for foil balloons, just in case you need to blow up foils. Plus, you can see here two red buttons. One, this one here is when you want on, off, on, off. But if you want to make maybe organic arch or something specific, like you need all the time you inflate or work, just push this one here. And just stop when you finish work. This machine is kind of work for everything, work for 260, for 350, 160, 646, 11, 5-inch, for everything. They comes with different adapters, like just in case you have the 165-inch balloon, or maybe if you have something more specific like that. You can set up your time. That is the difference between this one and this one. Is you can set up your size in case you want something specific. I want 2 balloons on the same side. You come here and you set up. Or I need 20 duplex. You can come here and you see count. When you start working, you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 until 20. And when you have 20, you will see here 20. That means you have to stop. In this right now, I want to blow up 2 balloons in 3.0 that you see here. You push, and that will stop. But that in case you need two balloons on the same side. If you don't need balloons on the same with the same side, just you use the other side and just now you know between this one and this one is you can set up times here just in case you need your balloons on the same time. This one you can. But Edward, what happens if I buy that inflator? What I need? You need to buy a sizer just to make all your balloons on the same side. I hope this video worked for you. I know it's a lot of questions when you try to buy inflator, but I really recommend those 2 inflators for any round balloons, and if you work with twister, this one here. Thank you for watching us. You can go and watch more and more and more videos, educational videos in YouTube channel, Burton Plus Burton. Oh, remember, follow us in Instagram, Burton Plus Burton. Bye bye.